Alright, you want to look at this? So here's a piece of separation that is at that second post.
You're kidding.
It's not the biggest deal in the world, though. Right?
Biggest what?
It's not the biggest deal in the world, but that we can do like a spot dig right there and fix that piece. But that's not what's causing our issues back there. What I'm basically doing is trying to find a spot to tie onto that's good. So you see where that separation's at, it's just holding that small amount of water right there at the bottom of the pipe.
How in the world do you separate?
Because they don't glue it together. People who put in downspouts that aren't plumbers.
That much?
It does, yeah. Yeah, the ground settles. And it's thin-walled pipe, so like even rocks, you can like see where rocks come into this, like you're poking into the side of it. It's a really thin pipe. But like this run, there's no water. You know, so that could be an easy just dig up right there, fix that, right? And this is that. So this pipe's all good right here, so far that we've seen. We just see that one bad spot right there.
Right out there? Or right here?
That, just right there. All your pipe going out's fine. And then, we're still dry. Now right here is where we make a turn that I have marked right there.
Yeah.
And then there's a Y. And then, see, that's a rock bulging up into the pipe.
Jiminy Christmas.
And now we're underwater. Okay, so here's where we're in bad. 10 foot over to here. The back, I'm betting, goes that way. So I don't see any fittings to pick up that side yard. Stay underwater until we come out. So
there's 2 points. The separation and that rock.
Yeah, which separation, so I'll kind of go over what I'm thinking. I'm done with this now.